Then
Okay.
we need to click on next option. And now you can see we are at the third step of the ad creation, that is the ad level. In the ad level,
Okay.
so you can again name it. So just example, this will be a single image ad or single video ad or carousel ad or shopping, whatever you want. So single image, then page ID, we have already selected that page at the ad set level as well. So if like you are using any other option like traffic conversion or something, so the Instagram option will also appear. But right now, because we have selected only Facebook page, like so it only select the page, Facebook page. Then the most important thing, the ad creative process. So in the ad creative, first of all, we need to add any creative. So we can add any random image if you have those. So just example right now, this one. You can also create your good images and we can use those in campaigns. So this image will appear like this one, and here we need to add the primary text. So in this text, basically we want to explain the things, what are the benefits if they will, just example, based on our objective, what is the advantage that they can gain after liking my page, or we need to
Hmm.
provide them the reason why they need to like my page. So basically that's the thing that will trigger the people, and we will get the likes on a low cost basis. So that's the thing that we like need to. So these days, Chat GPT, you can use the Chat GPT and get the ideas from Chat GPT and create the ad
Hmm.
copies from there and add the things here.
All right. Do you mind if I scroll up for a bit? Let me just see something up here.
Sure.
So we have the ad name, then the identity, ad setup. Wait, what is this ad? I mean, what is this setting right here?
Which one?
Ad setup, this
multi
multi-ad.
multi
Yeah.
advertiser ad setup. So basically, by using this option, Facebook will increase our ad exposure to the people that are more interested in engaging with like businesses related to us or something like that.
So if you didn't check this, what would happen?
Nothing happens. So basically this is for the audience extension, you can say, that they can extend our audience to the more like-minded people that are interested in our business.
Oh, so like, but doesn't what isn't that like automatically happening? Like, I don't understand that. Like, what do you mean
So
by extend?
So just example, if someone is not a small business owner or business owner, but he might be interested in online advertising, so our ad will also appear to them.
Oh, so like it goes like a little bit outside of the settings you put in the ad set level.
Exactly.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. So the next thing, again, the primary text, you can do multiple ads or A/B testing at this point if you want. Then the last step for creating the campaign is tracking. So right now for the page likes, there is no tracking that we need to do. For the ad copy, I am just putting test ad copy. So you can remember. This will appear above the image. And so this is the video feeds, and again, you can see all the parts here.
Okay,
3 minutes words, feed and video feeds or whatever you want. So this will appear like our ad will appear like this one. After this one, you can simply hit the publish button and this campaign will be like go into the review process. Facebook algorithm will review it, and if it will comply with all the Facebook advertising policies, then simply it will be published and active.
okay.
Okay. So the pro tip for this one, so some majority of the people want the cheap likes from campaigns. Normally, when they are like contacting with us and they want to get the maximum page likes for their campaigns. So what you can do, even their business is in the United States, because they want the cheap likes and they don't want the relevant page likes. So you can run that campaign for India, Pakistan, Philippines, Africa, and you can get the cheap likes from those ones, because these page like might be $1 from the United States, but with the $1 you might get 200 page likes, 150 page likes from India or Africa or
Okay, yeah,
something like
that
that.
makes sense.
Yes. So in that way you can like optimize these things. So now because we have like